So guys, you keep asking me why I make English channel. Let me tell you something. Making English channel is much more easy for me. Why? Let me tell you a secret. So let me start from my audience abroad. All right, all the foreigners that watching my bigger YouTube channel, the 30,000 subscriber channel. Let me start this with my Indian audience. Okay, they asked me to make English subtitle in every video that I made, which is more than 200 videos. So you guys might think it's easy to add English subtitle in Indonesian videos, right? Wrong. You that wrong, bro. It is so hard because the Google Translate, which is YouTube Translate, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, especially if you speak Indonesian. Indonesian is hard to translate. Indonesian is too hard to take the right context to it. So it's better for me to make English channel in the first place. But bro, we're lazy to read the subtitle, bro. Bro, just learn the English. Just train your listening to English. You will be better in English in no time. Okay, please don't lazy to read. Please don't lazy to learn. I know our nation is very deprived in literacy. We are the lazy people to learn. We are the lazy people to read. But it doesn't have to be the truth. We don't take the stereotype to the real world. We know we, Indonesian, is a versatile tongue. We can speak English, we can speak Arabic, we can speak Russian, we can speak other language without a heavy or thick accent. That's that thing you have to be proud of. Man, don't be lazy to learn. Don't be lazy to read. I've drifted for a while, so let me back to the topic, okay? So English is easier for me because if I'm speaking English in my video, it's easier to translate to Indonesian. Okay, the context is very easy. I is saya in Indonesia, but when I use Indonesian language, the I have a very much variance. I like in English, saya, aku, gua, and many more. Many more. Okay? Aku is derived from Tagalog. Saya is derived from Malay. And gua is derived from Cantonese, I believe. So the machine, the Google Translate, the YouTube translation is confused with Indonesian. So I have to type it manually for you to get the context of the video. To get the right context. It sounds like a little bit rant from me, but my channel is not for you only and only. Let me spread the goodness to the all people in the world because so many people in the world can speak English, can understand, at least understand English. Okay? You, Indonesian, can understand English. So I think the logic is the same when I watch Indian videos out there in YouTube. If I have a trouble in my smartphone, in my Android phone, I search in YouTube and I will find Indian videos, right? So I think the logic is the same. If they talk English, I will know the context. If they talk Hindi, I will learn from the video, but I can't understand a word from it. I'll just watch the picture, right? I try to understand the picture, but I don't get the right context. So that's why, guys, Indian YouTuber also make English channel. German YouTuber also make English channel. Let me give example to you. Kurzgesagt, right? In the nutshell, it's German channel, and it's speak English. Why not speak German as well? Why not the main channel is in Germany? So, making sub-channel or adding English subtitle from Indonesian speaking channel is time consuming. Using English language is much more easier. It's much more efficient, you guys. Much efficient. Because if I want to translate to maybe other language like Indonesian language, it is just like 2 clicks away. Like click click, boom, auto translate, and I just like correct it like a bit, yeah, bada bing, bada boom, done. Indonesian subtitle available. It is that easy. That's easy, right? If I want my videos have Hindi subtitle from English to Hindi subtitle, just using auto translate and translating automatically from English to other language is very, very good. So how do I train my English speaking skill? Which is making videos in English. So I'm making videos in English is training my English skill. I know my English is not perfect. I know my grammar is not perfect. You grammar police out there. But what separate us from the Indian? What separate us from the Malaysian? What separate us from the Singaporean is they don't fear to make mistake. They don't fear to make mistake in speaking English. That's why they're great at English. Not because English is their second language. No, because they don't fear to make mistake to speak English. That's why you guys have to learn to speak English and read more English book as well. Because if you only read books on your native language, you will not get the right context from the original untranslated book, right? This book is from Yuval Noah Harari. This is my favorite writer. I highly recommend this book. So this book is bought in New York when my brother visit New York. I like more original version because the context is kind of shifted in the translated Indonesian book. Same book but original language. It's very, very different. I read them both in English version and Indonesian version. I know we have to censor a thing or two in the books because we have a very, very different culture, But if you want to get the authentic experience of reading the book, read in their native language, which is English. Okay? Especially if you read like a book from Yuval Noah Harari. Yuval Noah Harari is one of the many, many controversial writer. So don't read the book in translated. Read it in English version. So guys, I will show you one of my secret why making English video is much, much more easy. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is Google Drive. Okay, Google Docs. If I want to make a script, I don't have to type it. So I'll just click Tools and Voice Typing, right? Bada bing. Hi, in this video, I will talk about Adobe Premiere Pro. Boom, easy, right? That's why making English video is very, very easy. Just using my voice, I don't have to type it. And if I want to like typing for description or YouTube tags, I just open Bing, right? I just open Bing. Here it is. Click chat. See, I'll ask the Bing, write 20 YouTube tags about audio mixing in Adobe Premiere Pro and separate with comma. Boom. See, that's easy. That's easy, bro. So guys, I can pull out more videos for you. I can make more. Remember that this channel is created for me to make more videos for you. So don't let the language is the barrier between us. If you can't understand my English, check the CC or the closed caption or the subtitle of the video in the settings menu. You will find it in your native language. But for the record, only Indonesian subtitle is corrected manually. All the translation out there is automatically translated by YouTube. Okay, so if the context is kind of missing, I'm sorry, but please enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.